Here we are, Ben. Tom and Anna have been waiting for you all morning.
Yeah, Ben! You made it! Come play with us! We've got so many fun ideas today. Wow, your yard is so big. We can run everywhere. Yeah, this is our favorite place to play. We even made secret game spots over there.
Ben, be nice, listen well, and share with your cousins, okay?
Okay, Aunt Mary, I'll be good. Don't worry, we'll take care of him. Come on, Ben, we can play tag first.
Tag sounds fun.
I'm really fast.
We'll see about that. Have fun, kids. I'll come back later.
Bye, Aunt Mary.
We'll have the best day ever.
Last one to the tree is a sleepy turtle.
Hey, no fair. I just got here.
Too late. Race starts now.
I won. Told you I was fast.
You only won because I slipped.
Nice try, Ben. You still lost.
Let's play catch now. Keep your eyes open.
Throw it to me first.
Get ready. Here it comes.
Whoa, that one was too fast.
You looked like a rolling potato.
A very cute potato.
Fine, laugh now.
I'll catch the next one.
That's the spirit.
Okay, round 2. Let's play hide and seek. I'll count first.
Great. I know a perfect hiding place.
Don't hide too far, okay?
1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
Run, Ben, run!
I'm going.
This spot is perfect. Nobody will find me here.
I can still hear you whispering.
Oops.
Where did Ben go? Maybe he turned into a squirrel.
Or maybe he's hiding in the grass.
Nope.
I mean, maybe.
Oh, I laughed too soon.
Found you!
That was still a good hiding spot.
Kids, I'm home and I brought snacks and a few surprises.
Mom is back!
I hope there's something yummy.
Careful, everyone. Let me put these down first.
What did you buy? Please tell me there's pizza. I see a pizza box.
Yes, I knew it. Best day ever.
Pizza smells so good.
And I also got something fun for later.
A toy, too?
Maybe, but food comes first.
I'll take the pizza, Mom. I can help you.
That's sweet, Tom.
Pizza! Pizza!
Hey, I was taking that. I got it first. Ben, wait! Catch me if you can.
Ben, stop! That's lunch!
Don't drop it.
No, stay back!
I'll cut him off near the tree.
I'm right behind you. Gotcha! No more running!
Whoa, how did you get there so fast?
Teamwork! Come on, Ben. Give us the pizza. I was just holding it. Then hold it while standing still.
Guys, look over there.
What?
Where?
I think I saw a giant bug by the flowers. A giant bug? Really?
Wait, where did he go?
He tricked us.
That sneaky little guy.
Ben, this isn't funny anymore.
I can't see him anywhere. He runs faster than he looks.
If he drops that pizza, Mom will be upset. And we'll still be hungry.
Let's check behind the bushes.
Did you see that?
Yeah, something moved in there.
It has to be Ben. Ben, come out now. We know you're there.
You're not invisible, Ben.
Help! Help me!
Why are you yelling?
What happened in there? A bee is chasing me!
Don't swing the box around.
Run this way!
wheels! Oh no. No, the pizza.
It fell. We can't eat that now. It's full of dirt.
I messed up. I just wanted it first. I didn't mean to ruin it. I know. It was still not a good idea. Here, you can have my rainbow candy.
Really? Your favorite one?
Yeah, you look like you need it. Thanks, Tom. I'm sorry. Just try to do better next time. And maybe don't fight bees. Let's check the grocery bags. Maybe there's something else.
Good idea.
I hope we still get a snack. Wait, I found something cool.
What is it?
Show me, show me. It's a remote control car.
No way! That is awesome!
Can it go fast? Tom, look at the wheels. This thing looks super fast.
It's amazing. Let me hold it.
I want to see too. Hey, not again. I'm just borrowing it. Ben, seriously? Come on, Ben. Give it back for a minute. Nope, I got it first. That line is getting old. I'll play by myself over here. That's not sharing. We all want to turn.
Stop, Ben. We need to talk. Move, Tom.
Nobody is chasing you if you just share. No, it's mine right now. That's not how it works. You're making it worse. Watch out, there's a bump. Ben, slow down. I'm fine, Whoa! I told you. Oh, no. The car. It broke. No. I broke it. I really broke it. Yeah, it's done. That's bad. I'm sorry. I didn't want this to happen. We know. Please stop crying. We're here. He looks really sad.
Yeah, and I don't know what to say.
We should help him calm down. Here, you can hold my teddy bear.
Your teddy?
Yeah, he helps when people feel bad.
Thanks, Tom. You're really nice.
I'm trying.
See, you're not alone.
Wait here. I think I know what might cheer us up. What are you doing? Just trust me. Look, ice cream. Nice! That looks really good. One for Tom, one for Ben, and one for me. You always know how to fix a bad mood. Ice cream helps a lot.
Yours look bigger than mine. They're the same size. Don't even think about it. Ben? He took all three. I'm just keeping them safe. Stop running with the ice cream! You're gonna drop it!
Not if you can't catch me.
I'm safe up here.
That is not a castle.
And those are not your 3 ice creams. Ben, please come down slowly.
You look like a tiny ice cream king.
I kind of like that name. We're coming up, okay? Don't panic.
Just sit still.
Why are both of you climbing? Whoa, too close. Nobody wants to grab you. We just want the ice cream to survive. I'm sliding. Hold on tight. There they go. All of them. Oh no, not again. I ruined the ice cream too. Yeah, this is getting rough. You really need to stop grabbing things. I keep messing everything up. You can still fix how you act. That part is not broken. I I have an idea.
What kind of idea?
A calm one. Look, I'm drawing the pizza, the toy car, and the ice cream.
That's smart.
Why those things? These were all fun things we could have shared. But they got ruined because you grabbed and ran. Yeah, I see it now. I'm sorry for being greedy. I wanted everything first.
Thank you for saying that. That means a lot.
Look, your mom has more food.
She saved the day!
This is your chance, Ben. I can help. I'll carry it carefully.
That's very kind, Ben.
Nice job. Tom, this piece is for you. Anna, this one is for you. I can wait for mine. Wow, that's a big change. I'm proud of you.
Now that is what I like to see, sharing and helping.
I'm trying to do better.
Then all three of you deserve this cake.
Thanks, Mom. This turned into a really good day.
Yeah, we had fun and learned something too.
Next time, I'll share first and run later. Actually, maybe I just won't run.